Back to my Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Elliott Wave Green. I've got some important updates. I hope that some of you guys who were actually trading euro, British pound, Canadian dollar, gold and silver, they had a pretty good day as per my analysis. So I have very important analysis, and that's what I want to share with you guys today. So if you are trading forex market, basically dollar index pairs or gold and silver, then it's very, very important. First of all, there's no change as far as the larger time frame analysis is concerned, but it looks to me that the correctional pattern right over here is yet not complete. I mean, this particular move is complete yet, but it looks to me that this particular move is gonna give us some push up, and that's what I wanted to discuss. But there is gonna be major change on euro and British pound, so that was the main reason. Let's get back to the 15-minute chart. We have seen nice drop in the price of gold, and it looks to me that the downward price movement is yet not the correction is yet not complete. All right, and I'm expecting that we are going to see something like this. All right. Let's this zigzag, another zigzag, and A, B, and C. And then what happens if we have this has zigzag and this has X, right? Yeah, I think that we have already created a top right over here. As I said in my last analysis, do not bet on that loss on that top. Tomorrow there is a strong price action is expected tomorrow because of the news release from Fed, because based on their interest rate decision. So a lot of price action is expected. I'm expecting that we're gonna see 15-minute chart is this one, that we're gonna see some price movement like this, deeper analysis. All right, and if you wanna actually take adjust your stop loss, I think this stop, which is 1810, is a good idea. In my previous analysis, I gave you guys a point at 1797, I think, somewhat. So 1990, 1797, 98. If this price movement does actually decide to go beyond that price, I'm still expecting that it won't be able to go beyond 1798. All right, maybe the very last push remaining. All right. First of all, I'm expecting prices to hold on to in this area, but if they decide to go beyond that one, that'll be actually pushing the prices to 1798 right over here. First of all, let's have a look at silver. Silver is giving us some hint right over here. We can now see that we can consider this price movement as A, B, or C, and actually a single zigzag, another zigzag, and another zigzag right over here. So be careful with the price of silver. It looks to me that we are gonna see some behavior like this in silver, and I wanted to uh, bring it to your focus. So that will be three wave, a three wave, and a five wave. All right, let me delete this so it does not bother you actually, and let me quickly do this. This is going to be a three wave structure starting from right over here, A, B, and C, and this is single zigzag correction, another zigzag, double zigzag. So this is another three wave structure, and then this is going to be a sharper price movement upward, giving us a expanded flat correction. All right, this is because right now I'm seeing this strength, this reversal in across the board. So I'm thinking this is more likely event to occur. So I wanted to give you guys forecast for that. Let's keep that in mind, okay? So 22.61, good 70 cents increase is expected in the price of silver. British pound, very, very interesting situation is happening. All right, when we were trading right over here, expecting be careful, we have seen prices come down and then go up, giving me an indication that we have seen just half of the price movement, and we are going to see the prices to go all over right over here, creating a double top with this one, and this structural support is very, very important. But right now we have seen a lot of support coming back in, and as we have seen, things are looking different. So we can consider this as wave A, wave B, and an ending diagonal, which is actually diverging. So we have wave 1 and wave 2 and wave 3 and wave 4 and wave 5. So we have first zigzag, correction, second zigzag, correction, and third zigzag. So I hope that if you guys are aware of Elliott wave analysis, this is what I'm seeing right now. All right, do not use the top line as a target line. Throughout the history, my trading analysis, I have tried to use capture the price movement of ending diagonal using these lines, considering that this is going to be guideline. Do not use it because price can actually go right over here and go all the way right over here. So you do not use this as a price target. For price target, you want to consider double top with this one, or you want to consider this one. So I'm expecting the price is expected to go around right over here or over here. So both of this zone is important for a price target. Once again, do not use this top red line as a price target practice, as a guideline for your price target. So it's right now, it's one of those time when on a smaller time frame we get high confident trading setup, and I believe that this is what one of the times that we are seeing it. And a similar behavior is happening on a euro chart. Only thing is it's even more clearer. All right, so I'm expecting that whatever, I'm not labeling right now, but I'm considering this price movement as very interesting. This is basically double three forming with A, B, and C, a zigzag and A, B, and C. So double three is forming right over here. This is the first leg correction and second leg. So this whole structure is basically a zigzag structure. We have completed the first zigzag and a correction, and right now we're expecting another zigzag. Our price target for right now is this one, this double top. So very interesting price behavior is coming to my attention, and I wanted to share with everybody on Patreon. All right, so gold we have already discussed, and I'll just go and publish this quickly before we can actually discuss more. Let's have a quickly look on Canadian dollar if I can find some. So there is a potential that we have seen first leg, second leg, and third leg of the correction is expected. This is one of the possibilities in Canadian dollar. It's pretty risky. We do not have enough support because a lot of this goes with the prices of oil as well. So to me, this could be one of the reasons. But once again, we have a lot of resistors coming in this area. 1, 2, 3, and this one as well. So this was what we could be expecting in Canadian dollar. I wish you good luck with your trading. Please be careful, use strong money management, and have a good one. And bye bye.